If you need assistance with a temporary restraining order in New Jersey, we can help. We can help you file for a temporary restraining order if you need protection and an act of domestic violence occurred. In addition, if a temporary restraining order has been filed against you and you've been served with the paperwork, we can assist you with that also. So, a temporary restraining order means that a plaintiff has applied to the police department or the Superior Court for a restraining order, protection from an act of domestic violence. If the court issues the restraining order, a temporary restraining order known as a TRO, that means that an order is signed by a judge and in place protecting the plaintiff from the defendant temporarily. It will also issue a date for a final restraining order hearing, usually within 10 days of the application for the initial order. So, if a temporary restraining order is issued, it bars the defendant from having any contact with the plaintiff, as well as going to their house, place of employment, their family's house, whatever locations or people that are enumerated in the order also get protection based on the temporary restraining order. Once the TRO is issued, there will be a final hearing date. At that final hearing, the plaintiff, the victim in the case, will either dismiss the restraining order. If they're going to dismiss, they need to speak to the domestic violence counselors, and they have to confirm that they're not being forced or threatened, that they understand the cycle of domestic violence, and that they're doing this dismissal freely and voluntarily. If they're not going to dismiss the order and they want to proceed with a final restraining order, then it will be a trial. The trial will not usually occur on that first date. It'll usually be at a subsequent date. And right now during COVID, judges are conducting trials both in person and on Zoom. So you need to confirm with the court whether or not your matter will proceed virtually or in person. If you need assistance applying for a temporary restraining order or defending against one, contact my office. We provide free initial consultations and are happy to assist you.